Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can get the free trial on Shopify app. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, you have to create an account on the Shopify website. And after creating an account, your trial period will be started. Now, if you want to check the when your trial period will be ended, so you can do that. So let's start how we can check these details. So first of all, what we have to do simply we have to click on the settings app, and after clicking on the settings app, as you can see, has the option for the plan. So if you want to check out, as you can see, this is my trial period, and the 3 days are remaining in the end of my trial period, and 3 days are remaining in the ending of my trial period. As you can see, this is the billing cycle. After the completion of 3 days, they will charge from a small deposit, small fee from me. If you want to add your payment details, you can also do that. As you can see, has the option for the choose plan. If you want to check out the paid plans, you can also do that. So we have to click on the choose plans. And after clicking on this, you are going to move to this, and here you will be able to see some basics plan. Now you need to choose that which one you want to buy. As you can see, these are the reasonable, like the $1 and the $1. As you can see, these all details are provided here. That in $1, what you will get for solo entrepreneur, for small team, as your business skills, for more complex businesses. As you can see, these all details are mentioned here. Now you have to choose that, and after clicking on that, as you can see, select the basic. So I'm going to select this, and after clicking on this, we have to provide the payment details, and after that we have to hit the subscribe, and it will be purchased. So in this way you can get a free trial of your Shopify, and then in this way you can also buy the premium one. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.